February 23rd, 2026. Look at this. Gotta be over. Gotta be like 24, 30 something inches of snow here. And I shoveled earlier last night. I don't even know where the walkway is. So here I am in the middle of February 2026 in front of the house. The blizzard is crazy, absolutely crazy. I think it's like almost 30 inches out here. So the whole neighborhood is covered. New York City issued a travel on the ban. Can't go nowhere unless you're an essential worker. I'm an essential worker, but they canceled my job. But tomorrow I'll probably have to brave the elements. It's kind of wicked out here, not gonna lie. But you know, just trying to shovel my way through. So I'm gonna flip this around, show you. So I've been out here for like an hour now, and I don't know, I feel like I haven't made much progress, but I think the snow has defeated me. So just gonna put a little more salt out and come back out later. I'll defrost a little bit.